Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today we have an exciting new subscription box. It's new for me because I've never tried it before, and it came up because it was like, I no longer need Stitch Fix because I got these people, and it's called Wantable. And I still do Stitch Fix. I think it's fun, and I haven't had like a terrible experience with them or anything, but I wanted to go ahead and give Wantable a try because it sounded cool, and I do enjoy getting my Stitch Fix boxes. So I was like, ooh, let me try Wantable because it's kind of the same thing and they say they're better. So let's compare. Let's see if they're better or if it's kind of more of the same. So without further ado, if you guys want to see what I got in my Wantable subscription box, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to become part of the Lecialicious family, just because I know you want to. Just do it. Just do it. And anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the subscription unboxing / try on haul. Okay, so in the Wantable box, you get this little pamphlet. Your edit has arrived. Your 7 items empowering you to be your best you. Take 5 days to try on the 7 pieces in your edit. So like your box. Let me decode this for you. Edit means box, if you didn't get that. I'm so dumb. Okay. Mix and match your looks and keep what you love. Returns and exchanges. This is what got me, because you can, so it says send back returns and exchanges in your prepaid return envelope. Anything that has a prepaid return envelope for exchanges or returns has me by, like, I'm there. I'm yours. I'm yours. What do you want? I'll give it to you. Because I am so an overthinker, and so it bugs me and scares me when I can't return an item. I am so weird about that. I will not buy something if I know I cannot return it, because I sometimes come home and I regret purchasing things, and I want to be able to right that wrong. You know what? I never want to feel terrible about my purchase and then not be able to do anything about it. You know what I mean? So that's why I love these subscription boxes, because I can try new things and try out items in my own home, but I can also just return them for no fee, which is, that's what I love. Your stylist wants you to feel incredible, so your feedback helps make every edit better than the last. And then you can like leave a review, I guess. And it says, don't forget use the stream, which I thought was really cool, but I wanted to be surprised in this box. But the stream, I found out, is like, it's updated daily with all new looks, and you can request a piece, which obviously, like, if your stylist sees that you requested a piece, they're gonna put that, like, that's gonna be priority. And so I thought that was cool, but I like to be surprised with these boxes, so I didn't want to do that. I almost did, but then I started requesting too many, and I was like, I'm gonna know everything I got in my box then. So I was like, no, just don't request anything and let's be surprised. But it was kind of fun to look through the stream because there are like really cute things. There was a lot of jewelry that I really liked, like, because usually I am like, I don't need any more jewelry, I'm good. But I was going through the jewelry and I was like, ooh, want. Like, there was a lot of good stuff. Ooh, refer a friend. So any friend of yours is a friend of ours. Oh, how cute. Receive $25 in referral credits for every friend that receives an edit using your referral code. Refer on, friend. I'll give you guys my referral link in the description below, just if you guys want to try it out. Do not feel pressured. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I paid my own money for this box, so do not feel pressure whatsoever. If you guys want to try it out, do it. I guess we'll see how I feel about it at the end of the video, and then you can make your decision. But also do your own research. You know, I never want to pressure you guys into this kind of stuff, because I just do it because I like it and I think it's fun. But obviously, like, I would never want you guys to spend money on something that you don't want to spend money on. Your money is your money. Never feel pressured by me or anyone else to spend it on anything. Love you guys so much for watching, so let's continue. So sign up for other edits. So they have women's style, women's active, and men's active. And I'm not gonna read all that, but they go through, oh, they go from extra small to 3XL. So that's pretty cool. But you know, 3XL, that's what I am, and that's like the top. So they could be a little more inclusive of plus size. Let's see what they got for me. Okay, so first up, we have this cute white top with cute little buttons. It's probably easier to see it in the try on portion. I say that with like every shirt, so I don't know why I'm like showing you guys it here, because I mean, you can barely see it. So it's in a 3XL, but it's very cute. I didn't love it on me because it was very boxy, and I try to stay away from things that are boxy because I feel like they really accentuate the tummy, and I don't love that. So I try to stay away from things that are boxy, and that is very boxy. And plus, it wasn't like off the shoulder. It was more of like a, almost like circular. We all know I don't love like low cut tops, and so when this one is like, it was almost like it was supposed to be an off the shoulder, but like it wasn't. I don't know. I didn't love that. I thought was okay. And comfortability wise, it was comfortable. I didn't feel like it was as long as I wanted it to be. And I also just felt like it was almost just too baggy. It didn't have any shape to it. It was just flat the whole way down. Like it just wasn't for me, I feel like. So it was a good try. Like it was cute. Like I look at it and I'm like super cute, but just for my body, it wasn't the best fit. This top is like a one shoulder top and then it like goes down around. You'll see in the Tryon portion again. But this one, it's a 3X because that's the size I put down, but it's a little small. It was very, very snug, but also like too big in places. It was one of those tops where it was like, I think my torso and like my bust just isn't the right size for it. Just it fit baggy in places it wasn't supposed to, and then like tight in places that it wasn't supposed to. So it felt not great. It wasn't comfortable at all. The fabric wasn't comfortable either. It was just all around a no for me, but I did like the style because it was different. It was something that I never would have tried on, I feel like. So I did like that. I mean, I enjoyed that kind of aspect of it, that it was something that I wouldn't have picked out myself, but it was just way too uncomfortable. And the fabric just, I couldn't. You know me, comfort over everything. That's just how I am. I want comfort and cute. That was just cute, not comfortable. So it's a no for me. I'm definitely sending that one back. They did send me some jeans and they're in a 22W. The ends are really cool. I do like that kind of distressed look. I thought these jeans were okay, but they were no bombshell skinny, if you get my drift. So they're very soft. I will give them that. They're super, super soft. It's always around my tummy. That's where I find that the jeans are either they're make or break for me. Like it's in the tummy. Does it feel too tight, too big? Like what does it feel like? That's what tells me if I'm gonna keep a pair of jeans or not. These I am not going to keep. I don't think they went up as high as I wanted. And also just like knowing that I know what a bombshell skinny from Torrid feels like, and I prefer that. So I'm not gonna go for a different jean that I already know that I don't like as much. So that one I'm definitely gonna send back because although it fit, it wasn't my favorite fit of jean. And you know, I'm only gonna buy jeans that I love. So this was definitely no for me. This dress is in a 3X and holy cow, totally my vibe. I absolutely loved the way this dress felt, the way this dress looked on me. I loved this. Like, I don't care what anyone else has to say. I loved this dress. I thought it was so cute with my red hair, and the comfortability was so nice. And I just loved everything about it. And look, it's like shimmery. Can you guys see? Like shimmery. That's so cute. And it had pockets. I almost forgot. Yeah, it had pockets. Like, I really loved this dress. And it was surprising because a lot of dresses that fit like this, I always think like, oh, they don't give me enough shape. They don't blah, blah, blah. This one, for some reason, it like hit everything that it should have and didn't hit things that it shouldn't. Somehow, I literally put this dress on thinking like, oh, it's just another one of those straight down, no figure. Like it's just gonna be bad. It's either gonna be too tight, too loose, whatever. And I put it on and I was like, how did what was just not on my body fit on my body so awesomely? Like I was just like, what is happening? I was shocked. I was shook. So yeah, that dress is a yes for me. I said yes to the dress, Wantable. I loved it. It was so cute. So cute. Cute and comfy, which we know is what I want here on the Lecialicious channel. Next, we have this like jacket. It's almost like, I want to say it's like a bomber jacket, but it's a little bit different. I'm not exactly sure what to call it. Like a utility jacket maybe is what it's called, but it's in a 3X. Although I thought it fit really well and it was comfortable, it's not like my look. I think it's just the color of it I didn't love all that much. I don't wear a lot of like super neutral colors. And so with that being almost like a nude, but with a little bit of like a color, I didn't vibe with it. I was like, if it would have been like black, maybe I would have liked it, or even just plain white, maybe. No, I probably wouldn't have liked it as white. So I'm not sure what exactly it was about it, but I just felt like the color didn't suit me and I didn't absolutely love it. And a lot of the time I don't wear jackets, so I just kind of felt like, you know, it's not cute enough for me to be like, oh, I'll just have that in my arsenal. You know what I mean? Like I'll just have it in my closet when I need it. I don't think I would ever wear it. So that's why I'm gonna send that one back and why that one's a no for me. Next, we have this like black knit top. It's in a 3X. I don't have much to say about it because it just was too big. For sure it was too big, and I don't know, I felt like there's no way I'd wear this because literally like it just it hung off of everything too much. Like there was no part of it that felt like it fit. So that kind of made me be like, I mean, how could I keep this? Like it doesn't fit. So that one I'm gonna send back. And also it was just a little too basic and plain for me. In the cut of it, there was nothing about it that I liked. Let's just say that. So that one was in 3X and whatever, it was soft, but everything else about it I hated. So that one is a no for me. Not much else to say. I hated it. All right, next we have, they sent these sweatpants. They are in a 3X. And they're by Sanctuary, whatever that means. And they're so cute, you guys, and they fit so perfect and like loose, but like in the best ways. Like they hung on everything I wanted them to hang on, and then they didn't on everything I didn't want. Like I loved these so much. They were so soft. So I'm keeping these for sure, and I couldn't be happier. I really couldn't be happier about these. I love them so much. They're so soft, and we all know I can't get enough sweatpants in my life. So these are perfect, and I love them with all my heart, and I recommend you guys try these Sanctuary pants because they're everything to me. I love them. And they're $89, but when I checked out and got them, well, for one, when you check out, like if you buy an item or anything you buy, the $20 styling fee goes towards it. So like already you're getting $20 off. Well, I mean, you already paid the $20. So I don't know that that's technically true, but you know what I mean? Like the $20 that you already paid and you're not gonna get back, that goes towards something, whatever you buy. But these also happen to be on sale for some reason because the tag says 89, but these were only like 40 when I paid for them. So I only had to pay like $20 because I already paid the $20 styling fee. Just saying, your girl saved some money. Okay, you guys, that was it for the Wantable box. Let me know in the comments below what piece was your favorite. If you guys are gonna try the box, or if you have tried it, let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments below. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it, and comment below also and let me know if there's any other subscription boxes you want me to try. And don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Lecialicious family. I do plus size fashion content all the freaking time, and I would love for you guys to be here. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh, and a little side note, I got this free bag for trying it out. So yeah, okay, bye.